Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change your publication name on Substack. Let's get started. First, go to substack.com, then click sign in up here. Enter in your email in this field, then click continue. Then Substack will send a 6-digit code to your email that you need to enter to continue. But you can also choose to sign in with your password by clicking on Sign in with Password right here. Then just enter in your password, then click Continue. You will be redirected to this page. In this new page, click on your account icon on the top right corner, then click on your profile. In your profile, click on this 3-dot icon, then click on Publisher Dashboard down here. In the Publisher Dashboard, click on Settings in this navigation menu. In the Settings on the left panel, click on Website. Then it's possible that the publication name should be visible right now, but if it's not visible just like this one, it's likely that your publication theme is set to Match Profile. So to see the option to change your publication name, let's change the publication theme to Custom Theme by clicking on this drop-down menu, then clicking on Custom Theme. Then Substack will refresh. Let's go to Website again. And as you can see, we now have the publication name right here. Just type in your new publication name, then click on Save to save your changes. And as you can see up here, the publication name was successfully changed. And that is how you can change your publication name on Substack. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.